Hello everyone, welcome back to our Pandas series. In today's episode, we will explore powerful data reshaping operation using Pandas. Specifically, we will cover pivot, melt, stack, unstack operation, which allow us to transform our data in a unique way. So let's dive into it. To demonstrate these concepts, let's use a sample data set. Imagine we have data about sales transaction, the date, product and quantity sold. Let me run this data frame. So let me explain this code. We have created a data frame called df with sales transaction data. Now let's say we want to pivot this data to analyze the total quantity sold per product. Now by using this pivot table function and this aggregation function sum argument, we can transform our data, making the product become columns and the dates become rows and the quantity becomes the value. This provides a new perspective on our data set. Let me run this. So we will have the pivoted data. Now let's move to melting the data. Now let's say we want to melt the data to transform it back to its original form. We can use melt function to achieve this. It unpivots the data, making it easier to analyze and manipulate. So let me run this. Here we have the melted data. Now let's move forward for stacking the data. So if we want to stack our data to create a multi-index data frame, we can use the stack function. It collapses the column into single level of the index, making it easier to analyze and manipulate. Let me run this code. So here we have the stack data. Now let's move to unstacking the data. If we want to unstack our data frame, we can use the unstack function. It transforms the stacked data back into a more traditional format with product as column and dates as rows. Let me run this one. Here we have the unstacked data. And that's a wrap up today's episode on reshaping data using pivot, melt, stack and unstack operation in Pandas. These operations offer great flexibility in transforming and analyzing our data from different angles. So stay tuned for more exciting topic in our Pandas series. Thank you for watching.